welcome back to my channel, Better Version of You. This is your girl Shalini. So all those who do not know me and are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please do watch my story, my fitness story. You will come to know that why I am making fitness videos and what are the reasons that I am able to make fitness videos. So disclaimer, I am not a fitness coach, I am not a dietitian, I am not a nutritionist, but I am making fitness videos from my experiences. I have lost 30 kgs in 6 months, so yeah, so that's why I'm just making these videos. People who are watching my videos from the first day, thank you so much to you guys for showering so much love on me, because you guys have motivated me to make more videos. And I have also got many questions on my social media that why don't you make exercise videos, why don't you make what you eat in the day, and share your diet chart with us and all those. So for them I would want to say that right now I am just focusing on what to eat, what not to eat, because diet is the most important thing which you need to keep in mind when you are trying to lose weight, because diet plays 70% of the role. And before jumping into workouts, obviously I'll be sharing workouts with you, I'll be taking up challenges too, so that it motivates you and helps you, but before jumping into it, I just want to share what to eat, what not to eat videos with you, so that you when you already start working out, you already know what are those essential things you need to eat to lose weight. Because if you are working out properly, if you are working out 1 hour, 2 hours, or maybe if you are training yourself really hard, so 2.5 hours, even if you are training that much and not having proper diet, you are not gonna lose weight, you are not gonna be able to maintain the weight, or even if you're just trying to get into shape, it will not help if you are not following a proper diet. So that's why I'm just sharing this with you. Hope you like it. And yeah, so today I'll be sharing only four essential foods, or you can say proteins, which are actually helpful for you, as I have already shared a video on carbs, which if you have not watched it, just go watch it. And why I'm sharing this one is because I want you to include protein and carbs together in your diet, because carbs are equally important as proteins, and proteins are obviously important, if you know. And so that's why just try to have a mixture of carbs and proteins, it will be helpful for you. And let's get into the video and know what are the proteins you should eat, or the foods which you should consume. So the first one is juice. Obviously in the morning when you wake up, you sometimes you feel like having tea, sometimes you feel like having coffee, but most of the time you don't feel like having either of these, and you just want to have something light, and juice is a very good source. And you should always have fruits in the morning, because it gives you a lot of energy, and juice will give you a lot of energy. So just grind those juice and have it. Isn't it easier? And it's actually beneficial too. So just have juice, just include some jaggery in it, so that it gives you a good flavor, and have it. So number 2 is cinnamon. You can include cinnamon in your juices, in whatever foods you're having. It will give you a nice and a very flavorful dish, or a flavorful fluid. So just have cinnamon. Cinnamon is a very, very good source of protein. And yeah, so just have cinnamon. So that was number 2. Number 3 is yogurt. Yogurt is very good. Yogurt can stabilize your mental health. You can, yeah, it reduces digestion, it reduces your appetite. I personally have yogurt in every meal after every meal. So just include yogurt in your food, yogurt in your diet, and it will do wonders. It also helps diabetes patient, heart patients. So it's very good. So please do have yogurts. And number four is avocado. Avocado is good for health. Avocado is good for diabetes. Avocado is good. It is a weight watcher. It helps you in weight loss, and it helps you in your fertility. Okay, it is good for women too, because it helps you in your fertility levels, and for men. Okay, just have avocado. Avocado is good. Avocado is a really beneficial food. It is a great source of protein. So just tip at the last: have fish. Have a lot of fish. Fish is really good. Trust me. If you are a non-vegetarian, you should consume fish. Fish is a very great source of carbs and protein. So fish is very good. Just try to have tuna fish or prawns. They are the kind of fish which has a lot of carbs. So this was the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and please do stick with me. I'll be bringing out more fitness videos. I'll be bringing out more exercise videos soon, and some recipes. I'll be sharing some recipes with you which would be beneficial for you. So please do stick with me. Please do like my video. If you really like it, just press the thumbs up, and press that subscribe button and that bell notification, so that you get notification whenever I upload next time, and you get the notification of my first videos. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next Saturday. So if you do not know when I upload my videos, I upload my videos every Saturday.